Can I prevent antifreeze leaks in the future?
Hey there, welcome to today's video. In this episode, we'll be discussing an important topic: how to prevent antifreeze leaks in the future. Antifreeze leaks can lead to significant engine damage and costly repairs, so it's crucial to understand the preventive measures you can take. Let's dive right in.
Understanding antifreeze leaks.
Before we delve into prevention methods, let's quickly understand what antifreeze leaks are and why they occur. Antifreeze, also known as coolant, is a vital component in your vehicle's cooling system. It helps regulate the engine's temperature, preventing overheating and freezing. Unfortunately, antifreeze leaks can occur due to various reasons, such as 1. Worn or damaged hoses. Over time, hoses can deteriorate, develop cracks, or become loose, leading to coolant leaks. 2. Faulty radiator. A damaged or corroded radiator can result in antifreeze leaks. 3. Loose or damaged fittings. Loose or damaged fittings connecting the cooling system components can cause leaks. 4. Damaged water pump. The water pump circulates the coolant throughout the engine. If it malfunctions or becomes damaged, leaks may occur. Now that we have a basic understanding of the causes, let's move on to preventive measures.
Regular maintenance and inspections.
The first line of defense against antifreeze leaks is regular maintenance and inspections. By keeping an eye on your vehicle's cooling system, you can identify potential issues early on and prevent them from escalating. Here's what you can do. 1. Check coolant levels. Regularly inspect the coolant levels in the reservoir. If you notice a significant drop, it could be an indication of a leak. 2. Inspect hoses and connections. Periodically examine the hoses, clamps, and fittings for any signs of damage, such as cracks, leaks, or looseness. Replace or repair as necessary. 3. Check the radiator. Inspect the radiator for signs of corrosion, leaks, or blockages. If you notice any issues, have it repaired or replaced by a professional. 4. Maintain proper coolant mixture. Ensure the coolant mixture is appropriate for your climate and follow the manufacturer's recommendations. A proper mixture helps prevent freezing and overheating, reducing stress on the system. 5. Flush and replace coolant. Over time, coolant can become contaminated or lose its effectiveness. Follow the recommended intervals to flush and replace the coolant to keep the system clean and efficient.
Professional maintenance and repairs.
While regular maintenance can go a long way in preventing antifreeze leaks, it's essential to seek professional maintenance and repairs when needed. Here are a few considerations. 1. Address issues promptly. If you notice signs of a coolant leak, such as a sweet smell or visible puddles under your vehicle, take immediate action. Ignoring the problem can lead to severe engine damage. 2. Consult a professional. If you're unsure about diagnosing or repairing coolant leaks, it's best to consult a trusted mechanic. They have the expertise and specialized tools to accurately identify and fix the issue. And that's a wrap on how to prevent antifreeze leaks in the future. By implementing regular maintenance and inspections, and seeking professional help when needed, you can significantly reduce the risk of coolant leaks and protect your engine. Remember, early detection and timely action are key to preventing costly repairs down the road. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips.